Hey, third graders, and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 8, in which we're going to be looking at fractions as number bonds. So again, please make sure you are watching the video that's linked on slide 3. That is going to teach you the actual lesson. Then once you're done watching the video, the teacher on the video will share with you what problems you should be working on or focusing the most on the problem set. Then if you have extra time, you can do the other problems as well. So again, on slide 2, you can print the problem set or you can look at it and write out another piece of paper. But if you do want to do it on the Chromebook or on your computer, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So for pretty much all of the problems, you're going to be looking at a picture and you're going to need to create a number bond. Now at the top of the number bond is 1 because we're looking at the picture as one whole and we're breaking that 1 into smaller parts. So in the sample, this whole rectangle is 1. You look at what's shaded in. There are 8 pieces. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8 are shaded in. So I put 5/8 in one of the circles below, and then 1/8, 2/8, 3/8 are unshaded. So I put that together. So when I put these fractions together, they're going to give me one whole. So you're going to go ahead and do that for numbers 1 through 4. So let's do number 1 together. This is one whole. We're looking at this trapezoid as one whole. It's split up into fifths or 5 equal parts. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. Over here, I'm going to type in the fraction of that trapezoid that is shaded in, the triangles that are shaded. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. So I'm going to wait for my cursor to look like a capital I, click 3 times, and the text will be highlighted in blue. And then I'm going to do 3/5. Then the other one is how much is not shaded. 1/5, 2/5 are not shaded. So highlight that in blue, and then you're going to say 2/5. You're going to notice that your numerator, your first number, should equal, when you add them both together, should equal your bottom number. 3 plus 2 equals 5. I'm going to undo that so it's ready for you when you do yours. You're going to do that also on slide 6 and slide 7. Same for slide 8. I did have you skip B. I just kind of covered it up there because we didn't have room with the number bonds. If you really want to look at what B looks like, you can click it. There's actually a square that's covering it up. But again, I just want you to do A, C, and D. It does say to go a little bit farther and decompose each of these parts into unit fractions. So let me show you how to do that. So this one, shaded, this is split into fourths, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3/4 are shaded in. Then what you would do is you would split this into the unit fractions, so 3 parts. This would be 1/4. This is very hard to do on my computer. And this is 1/4. You're going to do that 3 times. Again, you can do that on a piece of paper, or you can, I would just do that part on a piece of paper, or don't worry too much about that part. The most important part is just the basic number bond. And then number 9 is the same thing, only instead of a picture, you are going to read a story problem about a chef who uses fractions to make hamburgers, which I'm actually going to do tomorrow, just at home. So you're going to try to read it and fill it out, how much they use to make a hamburger and how much they put in the refrigerator. And then you just need to answer part A, what fraction of the ground beef was in the refrigerator. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.